Here's a 2008 Toyota Sienna. It'll take you and your family everywhere you need to be in style. It's not a minivan, it's a swagger wagon. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Auto Week highlights there is a conversation mirror so the driver can keep in contact with rear seat mounted kiddies, and there is that nifty middle seat of the middle row that slides forward to allow parents in the front to tend to a small person in a child seat. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.